Hi everyone, so today we're going to read another set of books.
Yeah.
So, do you love reading?
Yeah.
Good job. So, these are my favorite books for kids who are going to kindergarten or big school. So, we have this set. It's called Wow, I Can Read. We have the yellow set, the red set, and we still have the blue set. We don't know, I don't have it yet. We'll be getting it soon. So, we're going to read... which one we're gonna read today, Kareem?
That one.
Which one did you read yesterday?
Dinosaur. Other dinosaur.
Let's see which one we're gonna read.
No, this one dinosaur. This one, the other dinosaur.
This one. We're gonna read that one. Look, that one. We read this yesterday, remember? And then we'll read the dinosaur one after.
Okay, I read.
Okay, ready? Ready?
Yeah.
Wow, I can read.
I can read.
You ready?
Yeah.
So first I will read and then you repeat after me, okay? You have big shoes. I have little shoes. Ready? Read with me. You have big shoes. I have little shoes. Okay, use your finger. All right, ready? You have a long scarf. Can you show me the scarf?
Scarf.
This is the scarf. We use it in winter time. Okay?
Yeah.
I have a short scarf. That's a short scarf.
Yeah.
You have a happy face. Where's the happy face?
There.
Show me happy face. I have a sad face. Show me sad face. Alright, we forgot to read it. You're gonna repeat after me?
Yeah.
You have a happy
Face.
face. I have a
Face.
sad face. You have a new car. See, it's all new and clean.
Yeah.
I have an old car. Can you see the spider webs on the car?
Yeah,
Oh, that's a dirty old car.
Yeah. And this is a clean car.
Yes. You have a thin pencil.
Thin pencil.
Yep. See? Do we have a thin one? This is the thin crayon. And that's the thick one. I have a thick pencil. Okay. Which one is the thin one? Give me that one.
Thin that one.
All right. Which one is the thin one?
This.
Good job. And which one is the thick one?
This one.
Good job. All right. Look here. Ready?
Yeah. So.
You have an empty basket. Is there anything inside the basket?
No.
No. I have a full basket. Oh, look at that basket. What's inside?
Egg.
There's so many eggs. They look like Easter eggs, right?
There's toys in there.
Yeah. So you're gonna repeat after me now.
Look at the eggs here.
Yeah, there's 2 eggs on the floor. Read with me. You, look here. You have an empty basket.
Empty bag.
I have a full basket.
A full bag.
Good job. You have a top bunk. See this bed? Has 2 beds on top of each other. This is the bottom one. This is the top one. Where is the girl sitting? On the top or the bottom?
Top.
Top. Good job. I have a bottom bunk. Good night. Where's the bottom one? Where's the boy?
There.
Yes. This is the bottom bunk.
Yeah.
Read with me. You, say you have a top bunk. Bunk.
Bunk.
Yes. I have a bottom bunk.
A bottom bunk.
Good night.
Good night.
High five. Good job.